If you own a Danby portable air conditioner, knowing when and how to drain it is essential for keeping it running efficiently and avoiding water-related problems. These units naturally remove moisture from the air during cooling, and that moisture has to go somewhere, usually into an internal water tank. As your Danby AC cools the room, it pulls humidity from the air and collects it as water inside the unit. This is completely normal. Draining is important because it prevents overflow, keeps cooling performance strong, protects your floors from water damage, and reduces mold or mildew growth. How often you need to drain depends on humidity, temperature, and usage. In normal conditions, manual draining every few months is often enough, but in very humid areas, the tank can fill quickly and continuous drainage is the better option. Many models also alert you with a full tank indicator or auto shutoff. To drain safely, always turn the unit off and unplug it first. Locate the drain port, usually at the back or bottom. For manual draining, place a shallow pan underneath, remove the drain cap, and let all water flow out. For continuous draining, attach a hose to the drain port and direct it to a floor drain or outside. This eliminates the need for frequent emptying. Once finished, securely replace the drain cap and wipe the area clean. For best results, clean the air filter every 2 weeks to maintain airflow and reduce excess moisture buildup.